tafadhali, let me finish. Mungai James Kiari garnered 1,649. Munywa Nicholas garnered 697. I therefore declare Honorable Susan Kiinga the Governor of Nakuru County. And please, my God. Agents, please. And we wait for order, please. Now, ladies and gentlemen, of course all protocols observed, it is my pleasure now to present to Our Excellency the Governor for having won the gubernatorial election. Congratulations.
Naam.
Tuseme asanteni sana kwa wale wako hapa leo, na asanti sana kwa Mungu wetu. Najua tumetembea safari na Mungu ndiye amefanya tufike hapa leo. Kwa hivyo tunashukuru Mungu. Nataka kuchukua nafasi hii pia nishukuru watu wa Nakuru. Asanteni sana kwa kunichagua niwe seneta wenu. Najua I owe the Nakuru people my service kwa sababu wamenichagua na the biggest votes. I know I have the highest votes as the senator of Nakuru County. I know I won in all the polling stations across the Nakuru County. I promise you that will work for you. Thank you for the trust you've given to me. Thank you for the love that you've shown me. Mine now, as we end this campaign, and now we pick the certificate, I can only promise you that now we'll start working for you immediately, and you'll see our work, and I will not let you down. As a senator of Nakuru County, I'll ensure that I represent all your interests at the national level through the Senate. I'll represent all the Nakuru people and their interests at the national level through the Senate. I'll make it a priority to hold the Nakuru County government on your behalf for the resources and the mandate you've trusted them to hold on your behalf. As I'm am doing it at the corporate, the leadership. The leadership that I've shown in the corporate is the same way I'm going to ensure that I show the same leadership as I head the Nakuru County as the senator elected now as the Nakuru County. I'll ensure that I champion laws that are favorable to the Nakuru people and the Kenya as a whole, and ensure that they are favorable to our businesses and to all of us as the people of the Nakuru County and to the people of Kenya. I know it's a county of women. This is a county of women. We will not take it for granted. We will not take this for granted. As we work, we'll always remember that what we wake up for is not just for ourselves, it is for the future women of this county and of the country. I know I'm lucky because I'm entering into the shoes of our former senator, the incoming now governor. I know the environment that I'll get, it will be conducive so that we work and we don't waste time for the people of Nakuru. The elected women, I'm very sure, we are very grateful, and we'll only wake up to know that our job is to work for the Nakuru County people. Me, I can promise you, as a senator, the way you've given me that mandate to become your senator of the Nakuru County, I will not let you down and ensure I work tirelessly to ensure that I hold the county government and ensure that the money, the resources that we bring to the Nakuru County, they are only used in the Nakuru County and for the Nakuru people. With that, now look at the space, this space, and you see what women can do. I know it is the first county that we have elected the majority women, and we will not let the women of Kenya, the women of the Nakuru County down. We'll always remember as we work, we will always remember that we are working for the future generation of our children, of our daughters, and of our future women of this country. It will prove to the world that women can do better than what men can do. We will be determined to ensure that women of this country are given what they deserve, the respect that they deserve. Thank you very much for giving us that honor and accepting that women can do good and will not let you down. Thank you so much. I'm really emphasizing on that women as you sleep, men of this county as you sleep, be assured that we will not let you down. We'll ensure that women of this country, this county, will be elected many and many, many years to come. We'll work for you. We will assure you that we'll work for you. And as a senator of this county, having come from the corporate world, I'll ensure that the leadership that I've done in the corporate world, I'll ensure that it will be felt in this Nakuru County. I'll ensure that as I walk around the county, empowering the women, empowering the youth, and ensure that all that is felt across the